All right. This is for all you people that get pulled over and think that you don't need a driver's license to travel on public roads. And that is very true. You do not need a driver's license to travel on public roads. But you do need a driver's license to drive on public roads. So if you're traveling in a bus or in the passenger seat, yeah, you don't need a driver's license. If you're traveling on a bicycle, you don't need a driver's license. But when you're driving a motor vehicle on a public road, you need a driver's license. Having a license and being able to drive a motor vehicle is not a right. It is a privilege. You have to earn that privilege, and you have to do the things to keep that privilege. You can't commit traffic offenses and then expect the police to tell you why they pulled you over before you give them your ID. There's no law that says they have to do that. Granted, cops will pull you over just to see what you're doing and make something up. But if you're getting pulled over on a traffic stop, you better think of it as a legal traffic stop and give them your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance. Anything after that, they can ask you all the questions they want, and all you have to say is, I don't answer questions, or I plead the fifth. You don't have to answer anything that they ask you. That's the fucking law. You people getting pulled over and saying, I don't need a driver's license to travel. I don't need this. I don't have to show you nothing. You have to tell me all this shit. You're making it harder on your fucking self. I don't really like cops too much. I haven't been pulled over by them in a long time. But when I do get pulled over by cops, I give them my driver's license, registration, and insurance. When you refuse to give those three things up, it basically tells the police officer that you don't have them. And then they're going to start investigating even more. That's one thing about cops. In their capacity, while they're on duty, they are always investigating. Every single question, there's a reason for it. They're trying to get somewhere. They're trying to arrest somebody. They're trying to fill their quota. They're trying to gain revenue. They're trying to collect the revenue that they need to collect for them to keep their jobs. And all you people that give them shit about not wanting to give them your ID because you shouldn't have to until they tell you what you did, that's not right. That's false. You should look the law up. But don't give them any more information than what they need. They can ask you all they want to for anything, but you do not have to give it to them. Know your rights, or you don't have them.